What's going on, everybody? We're headed to Corrupt Strength today to go squat as fat as possible. I tried to eat as much carbs as I could for yesterday. We're gonna head to Jamba Juice real quick. The goal is to do some quick little football warm-ups, see how everybody moves. That should be funny. And then yes, hit a fat squat. Nothing too crazy today. After squats, we just got some work to do and kind of just going to be on some vibes for today and tomorrow, for the remainder being out here in Houston. The past 2 days are incredibly successful. We got a lot done. You know, we popped off the podcast with Russ. We got to go to the Better Warehouse, gain a lot of inside information. It was really good for our team to have the luxury, the opportunity to just, these are our people, these are like our extended family, so we're just very lucky, at least from my perspective, you know, to have that. So it was very, very insightful, learned a lot. So yeah, we're excited. We're very, very excited, having a really good time so far. Had a blast these past 2 days. Today's day 3, Tuesday. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. You know, the energy is gonna be up.
What's good, YouTube?
What you sipping on?
Got the Premier Protein, 30 grams chocolate.
Yes, sir.
I prefer Isopure, but it's what I have to do. And it's hitting right now.
He got one.
You know what I'm saying? Cheers to the
cracking the bottle.
You know, cheers to the gains, you know?
And you know I stay with one, dude. Look at that. Cake batter.
Cake batter.
Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack.
See, my shit would be like this. My shit would be like. That would be my shit. All right, here we go. First one, we're just gonna go high knees. Yeah. Left leg, left leg. Yeah. Move them hands, move them hands, move them hands.
Don't be talking too crazy. Don't be talking too crazy.
So you go slow. Yeah, come with me. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So you're going. Boom. Yep. There you go. All right. We're gonna get advanced now. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just nice and slow. There you go. All right. It's too late for it. It's too late for it.
Hey, sick of these niggas. Sick of these niggas. Hide for help.
So, you wanna go nice and slow. So just 1 1 2 1 1 2. All right, here we go. For biscuits. Straight leg toe tap. Ah! Yeah. We good? So now we're gonna go quick feet karaoke. You go slow if you want. Last one, high knee karaoke. I like to rip mine when I bring it up. Yeah.
I got no top and no business.
Yeah.
Young nigga get up. Young nigga.
Yeah. That's light. That's it. Nice and light. So we gotta squat 1 million. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Something slight. I didn't want to take all our juices out for what we need to do, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Let's do it. We're going crazy.
Hell yeah.
Putting the energy up.
The energy here got to.
Yeah, yesterday for a bench session, we went dumb.
For real, bitch? Oh,
Yeah.
It's up
I went 429, he went 429, he went 446. They was throwing shit up. I'll just put it like this. Whatever motherfuckers gonna say throughout the year, all I know is you gotta line that shit up on the platform. That's all I know. That's all we know. And that's what we about. We gonna work, shit's gonna happen, people gonna talk, whatever. You gonna see us on that platform. We ready to go. It's about competition. That's what we coming. We bring the highest level, baby. That's it. That's it.
Nigga, I don't do no beatbox. Leave your feet hot. That nigga running like a track star. Right out them Reeboks. There's no more parties for your shorty, but she still gon' be a dot. Bet that bitch gon' make it clap to find a nigga with some guap.
Blow that up. Oh yeah.
Niggas keep reaching this.
Big up Kratos. What he say? He said, huh?
I got condoms on that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me. Who said that you can't, ho? That nigga out munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass beat, they be tickling my ass crack.
What I do is more that these hoes be mad at. All y'all bitches sweet, and I always get my meat.
I find over bitches and I find over dick too.
Bitch, check for me, nigga. Don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I got that.
Shit, we about to send it right now. We about to go for that 605. I failed that 440 yesterday. So I'm gonna put that same track that I failed to. I gotta get my lick back. From Baby King, it's called Vent. Remember that? See, usually, I'm superstitious, right? And I'm doing this new thing where I attack what I'm scared of. I attack where the fear is at. So I'm going towards it. That's what we got in training, man. That's the best way to do it, man. You know what I mean? It's hot as hell. We in Houston with the family. It's time to work, baby.
What's that cool with the coach like screaming in the locker room? Let's go! Yo! Wipe that shit off me! Let's go! Ah! I came to send it!
Yes, sir.
Ah!
Hey, I came here to send it. I came here to send it.
Oh, hey, last night I was fucking that shit up in the living room.
I dropped in my mood change. Home made me wanna throw it down and up. Nas made me walk in the street. 50 Cent on repeat on the suit train. On the block, I hit her lobby. But they get the pain till the six of her got me.
Days off, these niggas play soft. We just play. Won't you sign up? Join my roster.
And this is what it feels like. And this is what it feels like. Only reason I survive, cause a nigga is special first. You get successful, then it gets stressful thirst. Niggas gonna test you, see what
We're just, you know, it's been a lot of business, a lot of work, training, super late nights, shit going into 5 a.m. in the morning, then waking up early and handling business. So today, for me personally, there's a once in a lifetime thing that's happening where I don't like to talk about it a lot, but we're just gonna celebrate. I'm not the type to let people know about stuff like that, but we're just gonna have a good time, be around my family, be around my people, my circle, and I just wanna have a good time. Just, you know, use tonight to relax, enjoy all the hard work and everything we're doing for a second, because, you know, this, like, not often do I step out, you know? So you do have to play a little bit. You know, it can't just be all work. Like, we work every single day. I work today. We work every day, you know, but there's times where you can put time away for a second in that day. Maybe get some more work done ahead of time so you have room for later in that night or that day to, you know, just enjoy life for a second and be happy, have some food, you know, have some drinks, and, you know, just have a nice little classy little Sauvignon Blanc type of night, you know what I mean? So that's all we're doing, you know, feeling sexy, feeling big and sexy, you know. Yeah, man, we out here in H-Town, we out here in Texas, baby. About to have a good one.
And this is what it feels like. And this is what it feels like. And this is what it feels like.
Scorpion bricks, way before Orbeez double disc. 40 on my lap, clap, sound like 40 did the mix. Filtered bass, Sivco, like a Michelin star chef. Kiss to my wrist, I go dummy with my left. IRS on my dick, try to audit all my checks. Too late, you know they hate when you become more than they expect. You let them crackers storm your capital, put their feet up on your desk, and yet you talking tough to me. I lost all my little respect, I'm selling weed in the open, bringing folks home from the feds. I know the payback gon' be mean. I'm saving all my little bread, pray for me, y'all. One day I'ma have to pay for these thoughts. Real niggas is this thing, it ain't safe for me, my dog. They killing niggas in their own hood, that makes sense to you at all. You burnt your bridge to the other side, you know you can't swim across. Y'all know niggas can't swim, they fried Mike after he died. Y'all know niggas can't win, you never land, no jokes aside. I arrived on the day Fred Hampton got assassinated, just to clarify further. What y'all gave birth is the chairman mixed